Welcome to Creating Effective Ad Copy, a lesson within our mobile marketing course, part of the comprehensive digital marketing training program. In today's session, we'll explore the art and science behind ad copy that grabs attention and drives engagement. You'll learn fundamental concepts, see visual diagrams that break down ad copy structure, and hear real-life stories that illustrate success. This lesson sets the stage for understanding how compelling ad copy can be a game changer for your online campaigns. Ad copy is the written content designed to persuade and motivate your audience to take action. In this segment, we define key concepts such as headlines, call to action statements, and value propositions. Through simple definitions and clear examples, you'll understand how every word contributes to converting interest into action. We'll also reference a diagram that visualizes the typical structure of an effective ad copy, helping you see how each component works together to capture attention and drive clicks. Successful ad copy hinges on three core elements: grabbing attention, highlighting unique value, and driving a clear call to action. This scene breaks down each element with definitions and visual charts. We illustrate how dynamic headlines, persuasive language, and precise messaging create a powerful mix. By incorporating a short animation of a flowchart, you'll see the logical sequence that leads from curiosity to engagement. Understanding these components will set the foundation for writing ad copy that truly resonates with your audience. Storytelling transforms basic ad copy into an engaging narrative. In this scene, we share a brief story of a startup that turned its fortunes around through a well-crafted ad. You'll learn how using relatable characters and scenarios can humanize your brand. The narrative is supported by a simple storyboard diagram, illustrating the arc from problem to solution. This approach not only captures attention, but also builds an emotional connection with your audience, ultimately driving them to click through and explore further. Let's dive into a detailed diagram that maps out the structure of effective ad copy. Here, each segment, headline, body, and call to action, is clearly defined and annotated. This visual aid will help you understand how strategic placement of words and persuasive elements work together to capture user interest. We also share insights on balancing text with visual appeal, ensuring that your ad copy is both informative and enticing. The accompanying chart highlights metrics used to measure each component's effectiveness in real campaigns. Consider the case study of a well-known e-commerce brand that revolutionized its sales with strategic ad copy. This segment recounts how specific wording and creative techniques led to measurable improvements in click-through rates and conversions. We outline the campaign's process, supported by data sets that demonstrate before and after performance. This real-life example reinforces the power of compelling ad copy and provides practical insights you can apply to your own campaigns. Witness how targeted language and a strong call to action can drive success. Effective ad copy often relies on creative techniques, such as the use of power words and emotional triggers. In this scene, we define what makes a word powerful and provide examples drawn from successful campaigns. You'll see a quick chart comparing phrases that perform well versus generic alternatives. By analyzing real data sets, we illustrate how slight variations in language can significantly impact engagement. This practical exploration encourages you to experiment with language and discover the creative strategies that best connect with your target audience. Crafting effective ad copy requires a deep understanding of your target audience. In this scene, we define key demographic and psychographic factors that influence consumer behavior. A simple diagram breaks down audience segmentation and illustrates how tailored messages resonate differently with each group. You'll learn the importance of aligning your copy with audience interests, pain points, and desires. By considering data sets from market research, you can create personalized messages that capture attention and drive the desired action, ensuring your ad copy speaks directly to those who matter most. Ad copy doesn't work in isolation. It's a critical part of your overall digital presence. This scene explores how effective ad copy seamlessly integrates with website design and landing pages. We review screenshots of high-conversion websites, highlighting the interplay between compelling copy and user-friendly design. Through these visual references, you'll learn to create cohesive digital experiences that guide users from the ad to the website smoothly. Understanding this connection is key to optimizing user engagement and ensuring your campaign delivers measurable results. How do you know if your ad copy is effective? In this scene, we explain the importance of testing, such as A/B testing, and measuring performance using key metrics. A clear chart outlines critical data sets including click-through rates, conversion rates, and engagement statistics. We define each metric and describe how iterative testing leads to continuous improvement. This practical guide emphasizes that data-driven decisions are central to refining your message. By monitoring performance, you can fine-tune your copy to maximize impact and achieve better campaign results. Let's take a closer look at another real-life campaign where effective ad copy turned around performance metrics. We delve into the background of the campaign, the strategic decisions made, and the tangible results achieved. A mix of storytelling and data presentation brings the case study to life, with charts displaying key performance improvements. This detailed analysis shows you the behind-the-scenes process of developing ad copy that resonates with the audience. The narrative illustrates both the creative and analytical aspects of crafting persuasive copy. Iteration is essential for perfecting your ad copy. In this scene, we focus on the practical aspects of A/B testing, explaining how small changes in wording can yield big results. You'll learn how to set up tests, interpret the data, and iterate based on feedback. Visual diagrams support this explanation by showing different test scenarios and outcomes. By understanding the data sets behind each test, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions that continually enhance your campaign's effectiveness. This scene empowers you to approach ad copy as an evolving strategy rather than a one-time effort. For your ad copy to be truly effective, it must align seamlessly with your overall brand messaging. In this segment, we explore how consistency in tone, style, and core values reinforces trust and credibility. A diagram illustrates the connection between your brand's mission and the language used in your ads. We also define key terms related to brand identity and share examples of brands that have mastered this alignment. By ensuring your ad copy reflects your brand's personality, you can create a unified message that resonates deeply with your target audience. Let's recap the essential points covered in today's lesson. We reviewed what ad copy is, its key components, and how storytelling, creative techniques, and data-driven testing contribute to its success. Visual diagrams and real-life case studies reinforce these concepts. Remember, effective ad copy grabs attention, communicates unique value, and drives action. This summary consolidates your learning, ensuring that you have a solid foundation in creating persuasive ad copy. The insights shared today are designed to help you craft messages that connect with your audience on multiple levels. The knowledge you've gained today translates into real-world benefits, higher click-through rates, improved conversion metrics, and ultimately increased ROI for your campaigns. By applying these principles, you can create ad copy that not only attracts attention, but also builds lasting customer relationships. The case studies, data sets, and visual aids have provided you with actionable insights. As you integrate these techniques into your digital marketing strategy, you'll see tangible improvements in campaign performance. Embrace these strategies to unlock the full potential of your mobile marketing initiatives and drive sustained success.